Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a busy mom motivation video where I'll be sharing with you a little peek into what it's like for me as a busy hockey mom. We are heading to Nashville, so I'll be taking you along for the ride and sharing some of the things I did on the trip, including packing, laundry, room cleaning, and just hanging out as a family. Okay guys, so I'm starting off this video just showing you a few pieces that I received in my cup sheet order. This was perfect timing because I'm packing for the Nashville trip and there are some adorable outfits here. First piece I'm trying on is the Ayana lace-up backless maxi slip dress. It is so pretty, the fabric is so soft, and the back is so super cute. This would be adorable for a night out for dinner. This next dress is so beautiful, especially for a summer event. It is the warm-up floral print v-neck maxi dress, and I just love the floral print, so light and airy. The neckline is so pretty and fits perfectly. You guys, this next dress is so adorable. It's just so fun and cute. It's the Delaney smocked ruffled mini dress. I think this is so cute for a night out. Okay, so I'm going to continue on with the dress theme here because I wanted to order a few dresses for this trip. So this next one is called the Color Block v-neck dress. Such a light and airy dress and just casual, perfect just to go shopping for the day. This next shirt is so cute and comfortable and is definitely going to be one of my favorites for the summer. It is the JC striped half button shirt and it is just so cute, especially I think with a pair of jean shorts, which is how I styled it here. Okay, so I've got all of my cup sheet outfits packed up. I will link all of those outfits down below in the description box for you guys so you guys can easily shop those items. So for packing this time, I've decided to use these plastic bins. That way anything in the back of the truck won't get wet if we go through a rainstorm or anything like that. Usually it stays pretty dry back there, but in the odd time when we've gone through really heavy rains, we've had some water come in there. So this way everything will stay nice and dry. Since we're going to be gone for a longer amount of time, I did decide to pack some Tide laundry pods and some Bounce fabric softener sheets. I picked them up at Walmart because it's a lot cheaper than buying them at the hotel. So this time I remembered to grab those. And the pods are just easier than having to add laundry detergent in the machine. And then the dryer sheets are also easier because usually the hotel machines don't have a spot to put your fabric softener if you're using liquid fabric softener. On this day, we had aimed to leave at 7 a.m., but we never can seem to get out on time. Packing takes forever. I don't know if I just overthink everything and I'm like way over prepared and taking way too much. I feel like other families just like grab a backpack and they're out the door. Meanwhile, I've got like bins and everything's organized and we end up with a truck full of stuff. But we do have a large family, so I really don't want to forget things. I want to make sure everybody has what they need. The older boys actually like packed for themselves. They just gave me their stuff and we threw them in these bins. But for Chandon and Emmett actually wasn't feeling good the night before and on this morning, so I was really worried we weren't even going to be able to get out on time. So I had to pack all of his stuff. And Chandon, well, he shows me what he wants, but he's still kind of young. I want to make sure he doesn't forget anything because we're going to be gone for so long. Okay, so Jeff and the boys are all packed up. Everything from the front here is gone and loaded into the truck. So we're going to hit the road now. Okay, so here we are at the Canal Park Lodge in Duluth. We're just having a little bit of downtime here in the hot tub area. Obviously with 4 boys, there's always tons of splashing and jumping and yelling in the pool area. After the swim, we just went down to the front lobby to hang out as a family. The little boys and I decided to play one of our favorite new games. It's called June's Journey. And I just want to thank June's Journey for sponsoring this video. June's Journey is the perfect game to play with the boys. It's a hidden object adventure game set in the Roaring 20s where June is on a quest to uncover a scandalous hidden family secret. We get to play detective as June searches for clues to uncover the mystery. In June's Journey, there are 2 types of gameplay: the hidden object scenes where you search for items in a picture, and June's Estate on Orchid Island where you can build, decorate, and expand as you progress through the story. The boys and I had so much fun playing this game together. We were like in a race to see who could find the objects first. So that was so much fun. I will make sure to have the link for this game download in the description box down below for you guys. So make sure you guys check it out and download the game because it is so much fun to play. So while we were hanging out in the hotel lounge watching the hockey game, we ordered pizza from our favorite pizza place in Duluth. It is called Pizza Luce. If anyone is interested in trying it out, it has this baked potato pizza, which we all love. And basically, instead of pizza sauce, it has like these buttery mashed potatoes, and it is so delicious. So we got 2 of those pizzas and 1 cheese pizza. Okay, so we're jumping forward here. We are in Nashville now. I'm just about to take a nice hot shower before getting ready to head out for the day. And the hotel we stayed at is the Fairfield in Franklin, Cool Springs. Love this hotel, by the way. Alright, so I am all ready to go. I've got my Nashville t-shirt on. I just slicked my hair back because it's still wet, but we have to get going, so I just threw it in a bun and I will get it all straightened later. I've got my computer there. I'm just going to head down to the breakfast area first to get some work done. Alright, so one of the first things that we did when we got to Nashville on our spare day before the tournament started was we just went downtown to check it out. I did hear that it's best to go with the kids during the daytime, obviously. That makes sense because there's a lot of like bars and stuff downtown. So it was really good in the daytime. Lots of people having fun. Lots of people just, you know, checking out the different restaurants and bars. And our main thing that we wanted to check out, well, more the boys than myself, was the Bridgestone Arena where the Nashville Predators play in the NHL. So they were super excited to check that out. Alrighty, so back at the hotel, I've got a little bit more work to do. So I've just got my computer here at the desk area, and I also have laundry to do. So by this time, we've already been in Nashville for a couple of days, and before that, we spent a couple of days in Chicago. So the laundry has piled up for us. Luckily, this hotel had this really neat like laundry trolley thing in the laundry room, which was perfect. So I brought that up to the room, loaded up my laundry, and I'm just going to go ahead and sort it. I think I ended up having 4 loads here. The washing machine was not as big as I hoped it was, so the first load that I did, I had to redo it because I guess I overloaded the washer, which when I usually load it at home, it was no different, but this washing machine couldn't handle that much stuff, so I had to do that load twice. So even though I am doing my laundry on the road, I'm still getting some like cleaning and organizing and laundry stuff done, even though it's, like I said, on the road in our hotel room. So if you guys have any cleaning stuff to do in your homes, you can go ahead and clean along with me.
Trying to prove it, just like the movie.
All right, so now I've just headed up to our room. So hotels are different now. You don't get room service, or not room service, but like cleaning service every day like you used to. So for us, it's kind of difficult. We have a bigger family. The garbage piles up a lot quicker. So I just took a little bit of time to do it myself. Now, I did get these adorable blankets and pillows for Chandon and Emmett. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, when this came and I opened it out of the package, I almost died. It is so adorable. So if you have little kids, you have to check out their website. They make the cutest gifts, and everything is customizable with a photo that you provide. They have a huge selection of different images and like template images for boys and girls. So like for boys, they have like superheroes and like just tons of other stuff. And for girls, all sorts of fun scenes. You have to check it out. I will make sure to link it down below in the description box for you guys, so you guys can go to their website and see what they've got. But those pillows and the blankets, super soft and great quality. I was really impressed. So I'm thinking that is going to be a great option for upcoming gifts, because when the little kids see their faces on these characters, they absolutely love it. All right, so we are back at the rink now. We had another game to get to. I've got a video to edit, so I'm just sitting here waiting for the game to start, working on my video. All right, so I'm just going to put away my computer here in a second because the players are coming out onto the ice and I don't want to miss any part of this game. Okay guys, back to the hotel. I've got some more cleaning to do here. I did not get a chance to get this bed done, so I'm just going to go ahead and get this bed cleaned. So here's Emmett's version of the blanket and pillow. It is so cute, I swear to God. Their faces when they saw this, it was priceless. Okay, so at this point here, we are nearing the end of our trip, unfortunately. So I have to pack up our room here. Lots of stuff to get cleaned up. So this is going to take a while. I've got all those blankets to fold up, lots of clothes, hockey equipment stuff. So everyone is kind of helping put their stuff away and get this all loaded up. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free. Everyone else has gone downstairs with 2 loads of stuff to take to the truck. The trolleys that they had at this hotel weren't super big. They were just like little carts. So we needed to load up 2 of those. So all the boys are gone to help get the truck loaded up. And I'm just getting the last few things here, some blankets and bags and stuff like that. I'm taking it and putting it all to the door so that we can get another load and take that down as well. The boys threw a bunch of cereal and milk in my bag. So I'm just putting this into a grocery bag. Glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud. Okay, so I've got basically everything ready to go at the doorway here. I've got one trolley there. I'm just getting everything onto that trolley, and that's going to go downstairs to the truck as well.
All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. I'm a sweet baby.
So it's time to return the trolleys. Emmett just thought it would be fun to turn the camera on me while I was pushing the cart downstairs. He wanted to hop on just to have a little bit of fun. So we're just heading down the hotel hallway here.
I feel so free. I'm a sweet baby.
This hotel has to be one of my favorite hotels that I've ever stayed at. Like I mentioned before earlier in the video, it was the Fairfield Inn in Franklin, Cool Springs. It was built in 2021. I looked it up, and it's just like, it smells good all the time. They do a fantastic job cleaning it, and it's just open and airy. They've got this like really neat mural on the wall over here that says Franklin on it with some historic buildings. So I just really love this place. I hope we can come back again sometime soon because, like I said, we really enjoyed ourselves. Here we are at the truck. As you can see, we do not pack light. We have a lot of stuff. There's a couple of hockey bags, lots of luggage, just lots of stuff to load up. So Jeff's got the last cart right there. We're just going to get this all loaded and closed up and hit the road. One last stop before our long drive. We pulled into Sonic just to grab some burgers. We didn't really want to go in anywhere since we have such a long drive ahead of us, so we just thought we would grab our food and go. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. My next video will be back at home. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to check out June's journey. The link is down below in my description box. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please make sure you guys are subscribed. Click that little notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. And I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye!